Natalia Misura, coordinator of the Master's Program Mechanical Engineering and Equipment Design. The program is 100% in English and provides students with a high-quality education in the field of mechanical engineering, electrical and computer systems. Our students get advanced knowledge of design, production, materials, technology and automatic skills.
Hello everyone, my name is Cem Temur. I'm from Turkey. I'm taking a master's degree in mechanical engineering and equipment design, and I really enjoy this course. The program helps me to develop skills necessary for equipment design and manufacturing, analysis, and also evolution of mechanical engineering issues.
The program offers courses combine engineering theory and practice, focusing on development of various mechanical devices and equipment. Students receive an in-depth training in engineering and skills in computer-assisted drafting and manufacturing, CAD/CAM systems.
I think a diploma in mechanical engineering and equipment design makes you a sought-after specialist and likely more succeed in your professional life. After graduation, I'll be able to find a good job in companies producing goods for machine building, chemical, metallurgical plants and defense industry, and also in design and engineering institutions, or maybe repair or maintenance units in Russia or in my country.
The advantage of the program is its project orientation. Project work takes about 25% of the training time. The projects simulate real work tasks, connecting theory and actual design, manufacturing and testing of projects. In our program, we have students from different countries, and we are always glad to welcome new ones in our international family.